We'll be fine. Come on.
Whoa!
Okay, climb on in.
We have
Climb
a
on in.
winner here. Congratulations.
Hey guys, hey guys. Hey guys. I got it. Guys, I got a great idea.
Wait for me.
I know how we can get to the birds and get close to them to get their eggs.
Ow.
Yeah, okay. I'll be right back, okay?
What's he doing? What is he doing?
Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this. See what this is? It's
Alright,
a
guys.
chicken mask. So we're all going to climb into it, and then we're going to go over to the birds, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now, I get a little gassy when I get nervous, but we'll be fine. Come on. Okay, climb on in. Climb on in.
Wait for me.
Oh. Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof, oof. Stupid, that's a dog.
Give him a bird noise. What do birds say?
Meow, meow, meow. No, that's wrong.
That's not what a bird says.
You stupid, not knowing anything about birds. I know that they're jerks.
Guys,